Hi everyone, I'm Jane Trotter and welcome to Accelerando Piano. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to play an E Harmonic Minor Scale. As we go, I'll be using some scale pages which I've put together. These are free to download from the resources page on my Accelerando Piano website. Alrighty, let's have a look at E Harmonic Minor. Now, because it's the harmonic form of E minor, we have to raise the 7th degree of the scale up a semitone. And we do that on the way up and the way back. So let's apply that to E minor. There's our F sharp, that's our key signature note. So that's all fine. If we head on up to the 7th degree of the scale, that's the D, but we can't play that one. We've got to change the D to D sharp. So that's the one we'll be playing on the way up and the way back. Let's have a look. So key signature note F sharp, not playing D, we're playing the raised 7th, and that's the same on the way back down. Now you probably spotted that E harmonic minor uses exactly the same scale fingering as C major. So let's have a look at that now. What's going to happen is that after your third finger plays, your thumb turns under. There's our raised 7th. You're going to walk back to your thumb. Third finger goes over. And you do exactly the same thing for your left hand. I'm going to start with your little finger. You're going to walk up to your thumb. Then your third finger goes over the top. Come back to your third finger, thumb goes underneath. And there's your E on the bottom. Okay, when it's hands together, think of your third fingers playing at the same time. So we have this. 3s together, thumb under in your right, 3s together. Back we go, 3s together, thumb under in your left. You're good to go. And here's the E Harmonic Minor Scale. You can download this page from the resources section on my Accelerando Piano website. I've got the keyboard up above with all the notes that you'll need to play, and underneath we've got the music. You'll see there the F sharp in the key signature and the raised 7th D sharp, which occurs along the way in the scale. If you're also keen to learn the melodic form of this minor scale, I have another companion tutorial which you can explore. And if you want to learn more about minor scales in general, check out my tutorial, Natural, Harmonic and Melodic Minors. What's the difference? Now we'll move on to 2 octaves and we'll check out your right hand first. For the C major scale fingering pattern, you're going to think of 3, 4, 3 around your thumb turns. So let's give that a go. Third finger, thumb turns under. Fourth finger, thumb turns under. Third finger, thumb turns under. Right up to the E on top. Back we go. Down to your thumb. Third finger goes over. Fourth finger goes over. Third finger goes over. And same deal for your left hand. We'll start with our 5. Going to walk up to your thumb. 3 goes over. Up to your thumb. 4 goes over. Up to your thumb. 3 goes over. Back we come. 3. Then your thumb. Walk down to 4. Then your thumb. Down to 3. Then your thumb. Okay, when it's hands together, we're going to think of 3s playing at the same time, like we did for 1 octave. And I've got a neat little tip for what happens in that middle octave turn. We're going to think of 4T4. Here we go. So 3s together. 3s together. Okay, here comes the 4T4. Your right hand 4th finger will go there first. T, That's your thumbs on your home note. Then 4 over for your left hand. 3s together. 3s together. And back. 3s together. 3s together. Here comes 40 for the other way. So your left hand fourth finger goes first. T. Thumbs on your home note. 4 in your other hand. 3s together. And you're good. Here are some more scales you can download from my Accelerando Piano website. These are the white key harmonic minor scales, 2 octaves. As you can see there, some of the notes are highlighted. The notes in yellow are the key signature notes, and the notes in blue are the raised seventh. Now, I know some students really like to have the notes highlighted so they can see what's coming up and be prepared for the key signature and raised sevenths. But if you prefer not to have that, I also have a clean copy which you can use. So there you go. That's E Harmonic Minor. Remember, F sharp's in the key signature, and you'll need to raise the 7th note up a semitone. So the D becomes D sharp. And that's the same on the way up and the way back. If you're keen to learn the melodic form of E minor, check out my companion tutorial, which goes through that. And if you're just interested in minor scales in general, remember I've got the tutorial natural, harmonic and melodic minors. What's the difference?